Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to be making a pic collage of your zoo animal. So we're going to find the picCollage app. It has a red dot over top of it. You can click it, and then it will bring you to something like this. If it asks for a review, you can click on the middle one. It says no, and then what you can do then is you can click freestyle, which is the one with the blue cards. And then it gives you a couple of options here. Our job, we are making our pic collage of a zoo animal. We're choosing either a mammal, a bird, or a reptile. And we need to write 3 facts about it. We need to find 3 photos of it. And we need to make it look really nice and organized and really exciting for people to see because it'll be put up in a zoo. So what we need to do is we need to first find some facts and we need to write those down. So they are normally in your organizer, but what you can do then is you can type in what facts you have in your organizer in a sentence form. I'm going to be using the fish as an example because it's not one of yours, but we can use it to make our project. So I'm going to type in fish as our title, and then I'm going to put that one. I could change its font. I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to drag it with my finger up to the top, and I could take my 2 fingers and crab claw it and expand it to make it bigger or smaller. So I can do that, and so if I click anywhere on this screen, it will allow me to choose photos, which is the green. A is the text. And so I'm going to do fish have scales as a fact. So it's part of their skin covering. Mammals have fur, reptiles have scales, and birds have feathers. So that's one of our facts. So I can put that there, shrink it. And then what I can do then is I could get a picture of a fish. So I'm going to go to the green button, the photos, and I'm going to, it can either search one, and I could do web search, and I could search for fish, F-I-S-H, and I get a fish. And so I like this one right here because it shows a lot of scales. And I can choose this one here because I like how it has its gills showing. So I'm going to make a fact about that. So I'm going to put those 2 in. Fish have scales. Cool fact is fish have gills. And I can pick another photo. Fish live in the water. Okay. So I'm going to choose that goldfish. And so I'd write those 3 facts by clicking on the red A to type in the text. Fish live in water and have fins. That's one of the arms things that we were talking about. Arms and legs was one of our facts about the animals. And I could say for this one, fish lay eggs and have gills. Fish lay eggs. So we have 3 facts, 3 pictures, and I'm going to make the background different. So I'm going to choose the purple button, and then I could choose something that looks a little bit watery. So it looks like I'm in the water. So there you have it. We have our title, we have our 3 pictures, we have our 3 facts in the written in sentence form. And what I would do next is I would continue to make it better by trying to see, okay, well, what if I put it here? What if I add more pictures of fish? What if I add more facts about fish? Now, you're choosing birds, mammals, and reptiles. You're going to pick one of those to be an expert on. and you'll be spending the next 2 weeks making this poster. Good luck and have at it.